आइए हम सुने विज्ञान की अनकही कहानियाँ। आइए हम सुने विज्ञान की अनसुनी कहानियाँ।
You are tuned to Vigyan Ki Awaaz, a podcast series catalyzed and supported by the National Council for Science and Technology Communication, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, in association with Media for Community Foundation. This program has been conceived and designed by Dr. R. Sridhar with the support of Ashish Tiwari. Technical support is by Sparrows and content support is provided by IGSTC. On 25th March 2010, the Union Cabinet approved the establishment of the Indo German Science and Technology Centre, or IGSTC, in India. It was granted a matching contribution of €2 million per year for 5 years. The centre entered its second phase with a joint declaration signed on 5th October 2015 between India's Ministry of Science and Technology and Germany's Federal Ministry of Education and Research. This establishment granted IGSTC an extension till 2022 and beyond. It also provided for a doubling of the bilateral funding to €8 million, around 60 crore rupees per year. On 2nd February 2016, the Indian Prime Minister, who chaired the cabinet meeting, was apprised of the signing of the joint declaration at the ministerial level. The Indo German Science and Technology Centre was set up with a clear mission and vision to support advanced industrial research partnerships with mutual interest and respect, to develop knowledge networks for the industrial sectors to enhance competitiveness, to establish joint knowledge pools to address global challenges, to serve as the nerve center to promote Indo-German technology partnership. Its mandate includes facilitating and promoting Indo-German bilateral collaboration in basic and applied science, research and technology, encouraging public-private partnerships to foster innovation and industrial application, cultivating cooperation between science and industry, nurturing contacts between young and mid-career scientists and technologists to build mutual trust, leadership and entrepreneurship.
Hello everyone, I am Kiran Naik, faculty from Mechanical Engineering Department, National Institute of Technology, Rourkela, which is located in Odisha. So today I am going to share my experience on paid early career fellowship in applied research, which has been sponsored by Indo German Science and Technology Center. So to begin with about the fellowship, so how I got to know about the fellowship. So I got to know about the fellowship through the websites. That means I used to visit the website once or twice in a month. So accordingly, I got to know that PECFAR fellowship has been launched, and as per the eligibility criteria, I was eligible. So I have applied accordingly. Then coming to the host, how I got to know about the host. So it became very difficult for me to get a host because there is a criteria that we need to come up with below 35 years of age and he should be working at Germany. But luckily, one of my PhD colleague, when I was studying my PhD at IIT Guwahati, now currently he is working as a research associate at National Meteorological Institute for Federal Republic of Germany, that is PTB Braunschweig, Germany. So I have contacted him and he has agreed to host me, and as well as we matched our research areas and research interests, and accordingly we have wrote a proposal and we got through about the fellowship. Now coming to my experience on research visit. So I have spent nearly month and a half at the host institute, National Meteorological Institute of the Federal Republic of Germany, that is PTB Braunschweig, from 29th May 2023 until 12th July 2023. During my research visit, I have carried out a state-of-art review on commercializing the low-temperature thermochemical energy storage device and came up with key considerations on low-temperature thermochemical energy storage device for sustainable building, cooling or heating applications. Further, a review paper has been materialized with the title Sorption-based mobile thermochemical energy storage for better sustainability. Moreover, developed initial framework on safety aspects of low temperature thermochemical energy storage device for residential buildings. And then We also explored the possibilities of future collaborations on meteorological safety aspects of low temperature thermochemical energy storage device, and then plan to come up with a 3-year research project. In addition, the awardees, that means my Germany counterpart and myself, and along with the research scholars and postdoctoral researchers at PTV Braunschweig, we have collaborated to develop a machine learning model for studying the CO2 removal from monoethanol amine gases and for predicting its physicochemical properties. Further, the awardees, that means PECFAR awardees, that means both German counterpart and Indian counterpart, we understood that accurate measurement techniques for instruments involved in assessing the heat transfer fluid or working fluid at high temperature is also a potential research area to collaborate with the host institute. So accordingly, we came up with a proposal on ways to collaborate with the PTB Braunschweig in my research visit. Then later I have to visit as a part of my PECFAR fellowship. I have to go for a networking visit to explore the research facilities or future collaborations in various universities or industries. So as per my networking visit, I have visited Department of Solar and Systems Engineering, University of Kassel, Tech for Fuels Industry, and then DLR Institute of Thermodynamics, which is located in University of Stuttgart. And moreover, I have also visited Institute for Energy Engineering, TU Berlin. So in these institutes, I got to know about the current cutting edge research facilities on software based thermochemical energy storage technologies available at various industries as well as the institutes. And moreover, I have given a seminar on research activities carried out at my current parent institute, that is National Institute of Technology Rourkela, where I have visited and addressed the students of the refrigeration course at TU Berlin on open absorption systems. Moreover, I have also visited the enhanced my research knowledge on above topics and observed air conditioning cum extraction of fresh water from greenhouse employing open absorption systems, carbon capture from flue gas and converting into green fuels, for the thermochemical energy storage employing Hongman process, and effective utilization of thermal energy for building heating or cooling as potential research fields for collaboration during my networking visit. Further, with this particular networking visit, I got a few research ideas to improve on the existing research work at my parent institute, that is National Institute of Technology, Rourkela. As an end note, I just want to say that based on this particular fellowship in collaboration with National Meteorological Institute, Federal Republic of Germany, that is PTB Braunschweig, Germany, we got a publication in 9 Impact Factor Journal, which is a huge plus because of this particular fellowship. Moreover, I want to thank IGSTC, that is Indo German Science and Technology Center, for giving me the opportunity to visit Germany, which has helped me to meet my career advisor, Professor Manfred Grohl, and also to get to know about the absorption systems that are existing at TU Berlin. Moreover, I am grateful for the chances to work with one of the best researchers in the world, that is Prof. Ravi Fernandez, and for getting familiarized with the work or research culture. Further, I have gained exposure to best research facilities in the world, and this fellowship has paved the path for future research collaboration. So I thank Indo German Science and Technology Center for this particular fellowship. Thank you.
That's all in today's episode of Vigyan Ki Awaaz. Stay tuned for more stories that celebrate science, collaboration, and innovation.
आइए हम सुने विज्ञान की अनकही कहानियाँ। आइए हम सुने विज्ञान की अनसुनी कहानियाँ। एक नई दुनिया की आवाज़ आपकी